Welcome back, K-drama lovers. Today, we are diving into the best Korean dramas that will have you completely hooked. Let's get started with our top picks. 10. Pyramid Game. Pyramid Game is thriller centered on brutal school bullying. Pyramid Game, based on a webtoon of the same name, depicts a fictional hierarchy within an all-girls high school. When transfer student Seong Soo-ji arrives in class 2 to 5 of Baekhyun Girls High School, she discovers that her classmates take part in a popularity poll that determines who's at the top of the social structure and who's at the bottom. The poor soul, dubbed an outcast, becomes the class's punching bag until the next poll. When Soo-ji finds herself at the bottom, she becomes determined to abolish the game and goes toe-to-toe with Kui. 9. Parasite, The Grey. In this horror invasion drama, based on the popular Japanese manga Parasite, a species of larva-like aliens arrive on Earth and begin taking over human bodies. Supermarket clerk Jang Soo-in encounters one of the parasites when she's attacked on the way home from work, but instead of being killed, the alien invader heals her wounds and takes up residence in her head, taking control only when Soo-in is threatened. As Soo-in becomes a target of Team Grey, an elite squad tasked with eliminating the alien threat, she has to figure out how to survive by coexisting with the monster in her head. 8. Bloodhounds. This action-packed crime drama takes place in fall 2020, as families and small businesses struggle to recover in the wake of pandemic lockdowns. Gun-woo, a talented emerging boxer, works part-time at various jobs to help support his mom's coffee shop. One day the shop is targeted by Smile Capital, a company run by loan sharks who convince Gun-woo's mom to sign a predatory loan. Gun-woo and his new friend, fellow boxer Woo-jin, team up with a benevolent lender to bring down Smile Capital's boss, Myung-gil. 7. Weak Hero Class 1 Foot. This brutal webcomic-based drama tackles school violence through a realistic lens, taking place at a boys' high school where the richest students are the most powerful. Bullied student Yoon Si-yoon sees his tormentors as an obstacle towards reaching academic success and getting a scholarship to Seoul National University. Though he doesn't see much need for friends, he eventually finds allies in fellow class outcast Oh Bom-seok, and the school's best fighter In Soo-ho. Fair warning, the 8-episode drama has major twists and a devastating ending that left fans clamoring for news on Season 2. 6. DP. This brutally realistic drama stars Jung Hee-in as In Joon-ho, following the young man as he enlists in the South Korean army as part of his mandatory military service. After his basic service, during which he struggles with the ritualistic hazing and survival of the fittest culture of bullying, he lands a spot in the Deserter Pursuit Unit, where he's sent to catch soldiers who've gone AWOL. The stories of the deserters are intense, with the drama shining a light on mistreatment in the armed forces. 5. My Name. In this intense thriller brilliance as in the spirited way in which it lays out the same classic tropes of a revenge action film. So-hee's performance as the helpless yet driven woman who rises through the ranks of the criminal organization, and then becomes a spy for the same organization within the police force, keeps you hooked. The big reveal that is waiting at the end comes as a surprise, a massive payoff that is quite rewarding due to the execution, despite falling in line with the genre's standard tropes. 4. All of Us Are Dead. This heart-racing zombie thriller offers another unique spin on the genre, following a group of high school students as the zombie apocalypse comes to their school. The kids are left on their own as their classmates quickly return, and we see how they handle the survival challenge while also getting storylines of parents and politicians handling the virus outside the school. The most interesting part is how classic high school tropes, crushes, bullies, etc., are twisted into thrilling plots. 3. Happiness. This modern zombie drama is full of surprises at every turn, starting with being one of the only dramas to acknowledge the COVID-19 pandemic. Officer Yoon Se-bom has been dreaming of having her own apartment when she gets the chance to move into a high-rise with her high school friend, Detective Jung Yi-haen. Soon after they move in, an infectious disease sweeps the country, with those infected getting a craving for human blood. The apartment building ends up quarantined, with Se-bom and Yi-hyun trying to keep the peace among the eccentric tenants. 2. Sweet Home. If you enjoyed Korean movies like The Call and #Alive, you'll be able to stomach the gruesome monsters at the center of Sweet Home. The multi-season drama follows a depressed loner who moves into a new apartment complex after the death of his family. After he begins to witness frightening things in the building from some of his odd neighbors, the building's survivors have to band together to survive a monster apocalypse. If you are a peek-over-the-blanket type person when watching horror shows, we'd advise you to tune into this during the daytime. 1. Squid Game. If you haven't yet checked out Squid Game, then here's one more recommendation. This edge-of-your-seat Korean thriller on Netflix is worth a look. In the viral hit, a group of characters in serious debt sign up to play a series of children's games for a chance at $45.6 billion, about $38 million. The catch: if the players lose a tug-of-war or red light, green light, they die. For fans eagerly awaiting Season 2, here's everything we know so far. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more K-drama recommendations.